Hello guys, this is the Canon Gaming mouse mat. It's a mouse pad actually, but it's called mouse mat CNE CMP2. Yeah, that's quite a name. And the size is 270 by 210 millimeters. And it says it could handle precise mouse movements. And here we have a mouse that we reviewed recently. This is the GXT 161, and the pad handles this mouse pretty well. It's a small size, it's not a medium or a large size, it's a small sized mouse pad, though it looks big on the screen, but believe me, it's pretty small. And on the back of the pad we have this rubbery, it's not a plasticky finish, it's rubbery finish, and it has quite a bit of weight to it, so it's pretty stable. And this is a very decent and cheap mouse pad. You can easily get it for around $5-6 online. And if it's more than a mouse and a mouse pad that you search for, we also have a cat right here. You can buy two, but that's gonna be way more expensive, probably $1,000. So drop me a message and we'll negotiate the price. Ha ha ha. See you later.